You go to say, you prick big until you jam big toto. I don't finger woman, my watch lost.
Breathing on your shoulder.
MC Casino's Game of Jokes. The very good bad guys.
DJ. I beg, I no get strength. My hand no good. You go to say, you prick big until you jam big toto. I don't finger woman, my watch lost.
Breathing on your shoulder.
Now that day, I know the meaning of in toto. Man, calm down. I'm not here to rush. I be troublemaker. My ex-girlfriend say she want naked swear for me. Carry him big hands, go outside, they rape him. Now you don't know who he go swear for, whether na me or na rapist. Leave some things for God. You dey complain, say you no get money to pay house rent, yet you have mansion in heaven. Why don't you go? Why don't you go and leave us alone? Okay, Vex, I see you, man. You dey complain, brethren, say you no get money. And you get 2 kidneys. Why? Scientifically, it has been proven that you can live with 1 kidney. That's why doctors say health is wealth. 1 kidney for health, the other one for wealth. Brother, if you are meeting me for the first time, my name is Danny Spry, an online courtist. I joined court through WhatsApp group. You challenge me too much, I off my data. Who won't follow and drag anything? Brethren, Bini sweet oh. Okay, first. Now for Bini, I see lesbian take manpower to fuck another lesbian. Okay, and I don't know me. I got my leg. You didn't tell them? Oh no. Now they know. Where that person will give casino 1 million. Wow. You go give person way in body complete money. Now handicap they here. Your conscience no they blame you. Where the person man appointed? Now senior man there. I touch senior man. Senior man, that's the one I talk. I know they really talk. Now me them pay to perform. Who pay you to distract them? Brethren, let me give you guys a real life story that did not happen. Baba, Atize, Port Harcourt rough until I enter Benin. Port Harcourt na teddy bear. Where Benin dey, or not too much. For Benin, where Hausa boys, they court. They no care about an court orientation. They just want come meeting once, go. As he caught it for Benin, they were like this. A leg no good though. He catch me for backyard, they shot. Ah, boy, if you move, I go straighten you. If you move, I go fuck you. You go feel straighten me, now your body bend. Baba, if you see me for dream, my hand complete, oh. At all for dream. Handsome, fine. They dash me 3.2 billion for dream. I nearly no wake up. Now that I understand when people sleep die. They say sleep die. Nigga don't make them that side. Okay, now this is a better person. Come here. Take it easy. I'm here. My name is Danny Spry, a mad guy. MC Casino and I, we've been friends for years. Since 2012, Night of Thousand Laugh, backstage, been in here that year. Casino a good guy. My wife just born. As my wife born, I call Casino. At that time, I know say Casino no be really better person. If you are meeting me for the first time, now me be the only comedian where one hand short, one long. See I'm by yourself. You get it? I offend Bros Maleke. He said, he go arrest me, they go handcuff me. I ask him, police go need to walk new handcuff. How handcuff when you enter the... Now Maleke, where I offend, come they beg me, say, go. He want handcuff who? Brethren, my wife born, I call Casino. I say, Casino, where? My wife don't born, no. He call me Dan, ne? He say, you don't see the begin. I say, where this boy talk, they go. I say, I never see him. He said, this phone, the speaker. I say, not the speaker. He said, if you don't near people, come out there. And she come out, I say, Casino, what do you have? He said, you never see the begin. He said, go look him. I said, I don't see him. I dey look him like this. He said, hand complete. I said, the hand complete. He said, go do DNA. I said, Casino, you don't mad. Brethren, let me say this. It's a real life Jesus. I said, you're a good man. Don't let anything stress you. Yeah, I know. Fuck you. Brethren, don't let anything stress you. I give you this thing and I get the fuck out. Because I know say tomorrow morning now, Casino go credit me. I cannot start my year helping person when body complete. Those of on where they do neither bet, take this advice. Naughty way bet where Satan know they look that copy. Unless Satan allow you win, nobody they win. I don't bet neither bet 22 players to wear boot to come out. Satan tell one to wear slippers. Just to cut my copy. I don't bet there will be red card in this match. First 10 minutes, then break person leg. How they happy saying a red card? Ref go to advise him. It's a friendly match. Why are you so rough? Just to cut my copy. Women, take this advice from me. Not be every time man carry you come out, man go peace, man they go peace. Oh. Sometimes we they go check bill. One man don't dey for toilet. I did the next toilet. What here they here? No. What's happening here now? No. If I say no, and I go say no. You know there's a man, if you don't treat Staphylococcus 5 times, you be chief of staff. The man there for toilet, they shout, no. Now wait, may come out. Now I ask him, sir, what's the problem? Now he show me bill. 1 man, 2 guests. I see bill, 3.2 million. Now me hold the bill, begin shout, no. Brethren, as I hold the bill, begin holler. Now the man called waitress, analyze this bill. Now waitress break down the bill. He says 7 Hennessy. He said, I can see it here. 2 small stout, I can see it here. 15 fish, I can see it here. One way shock the man, they say 900 water. The man don't know when he shot. Anybody bath? No.
Ladies and gentlemen, Billy makes some noise.
MC Casino's Game of Jokes. The very good bad guys.